In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Claude chat not responding. If you're facing this problem, the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, turn on the flight mode, wait for a couple of seconds. After that, you again want to turn this off. This should refresh your network. Now open the Claude app, type in any prompt and check if the issue has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is close the Claude app completely. That means you have to open the app switcher and swipe Claude application off of your screen. Next, you want to clear cache of this app. For that, long press on the Claude app, then tap on this app info icon. Now, tap on the option of storage over here, then tap on clear cache. Once that is done, head back. Now tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Now, you also want to update the app to the latest version, so open up Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and here search Claude. If you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next, you can uninstall and reinstall the application. For that, tap on the uninstall option, then reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. If none of these methods work, you want to check if Claude server is down. For that, open up any web browser and search Claude server, then head over to status.claude.com. Here check if there is any issue. If there is, you simply want to wait until this issue gets fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.